Convex carving operations. Number 1. Insert USB into the machine. Number 2. Press Enter to select file name. Number 3. Place the workpiece to be carved on the table. Use the 2 clamps to fix the workpiece. Securely tighten it by using the screws on both clamps. Number 4. Slightly push the workpiece to make sure it is secured firmly in place. Number 5. Move the spindle to the original positioning point where you have chosen on the iPicture software and slightly penetrate the cutter into the workpiece. Number 6. Start the machine to begin convex carving operations.